Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on portable hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and you might be looking for how to turn on portable hotspot. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over there, you need to click here connections. After click over connection, you will see skin appear just like this. You need to click here mobile hotspot and tweeting. After click over there, you will see skin appear just like this. You need to just click over there, and here if you decide to turn on mobile hotspot, you can simply turn this on. And now here you can see this is your network name and this is your password and this is the brand. If you decide to change your Wi-Fi name, you can easily type any Wi-Fi name you would like. Also, if you decide to choose any password you want, you can easily set that. Also, there is a lot of customized setup in your Wi-Fi. You can easily choose any setup you would. Then you can make it here save. And now you can see I have successfully turned on portable hotspot in my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Also, you can see there is a hotspot icon, that means it's turned on. So from now, my friends and family, they can have internet from my phone. Also, if you decide to turn off portable hotspot, you can go again here in this settings section, click here connections, and then click here mobile hotspot and tweeting, and you can simply turn this off. So in this simple way, you can easily turn on or off mobile hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.